Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to change frequency of backup on WhatsApp. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly open the WhatsApp and then you can see three dot on the top right corner. So after this click on setting. So in setting here you can see chats, so just click on it. So after this click on chat backup. So in chat backup you can see frequency, so just click on it. So here you can select anyone according to you. So if you want to backup on the daily basis, so just click on daily. So you can see frequency is changed. So if you want to backup on the weekly, so just select weekly. So if you want to backup on monthly basis, so just select monthly. So guys, in this way you can change frequency of backup on WhatsApp. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.